Back with you here at the arena in San Juan City. Boom Gonzalez and Remulla in the fourth set. In the middle of the fourth set of this match between Ateneo and National University. We are at 8-6 in favor of Coach Rogers' team. They're also ahead 2-1. Let's look at that one. This is not a replay of the one from the first set, or was it the second set that we highlighted?
It was, I think, the second set.
Yeah. This is just recently. Earlier it was Kainglet who was able to convert. Now, Liza Valdez, but it's exactly the same set. Jem Ferrer.
Yung accuracy, you see the accuracy there, which and she did it twice, so hindi yun chamba eh. Talagang you know that she really can do it.
That's great off speed. Pablo was there. Nepomuceno from behind. Ferrer, back line to Hervasio again. Ferrer? Ah, ito eh. Mali. I think Valdez also did not expect that she was going to get it because she wasn't in position. You notice how her footwork was different. Oh, it catches the line. Which ties the game at 8 once again. And we check in with Patch Cansana.
You know how coaches gets more aggressive when they see that their players are fighting. It's like their subtle way of showing how much they appreciate their performance. That is what happened in the huddle. And it's rewarding to see to see the aggressiveness of the player and the coaches work together as a team. Finally, bumalik ang sigla nila, but this now gives them the big responsibility of staying consistent and not relaxing. Coach Francis complimented the girls, but at the same time, he pointed out that extending the set, every point will count now. Everyone is capable of experiencing mental lapse, even your opponent, and it's up to you kung paano lang kayo didiskarte. Bumanan?
Thank you very much. And guess what? After that technical timeout, NU has scored 3 straight points. They got 4 straight points. They were down 6-8. They're ahead 10-8 now.
And this is what Coach Roger doesn't want to see at this point. He was very disappointed with the turnout of the third set. Nakita niya na parang hindi pareho yung galaw ng team niya. And now at this point, the errors are again coming in.
Creeping up. Kainglet. Ateneo has not been able to put away those attacks. Byron. And another free ball here. And you ahead by 2. Lazaro is there. Ferrer, underhand to Kainglet. Galang. Ayan ang nagagawa ng sigla. Ayan ang nagagawa ng kumpiyansa.
Byron, lahat ng tao sa loob ng court masigla. You see them really running after the ball and communicating.
Hindi naman yan 8-7 eh. Hindi naman yan lamang sila eh. Lamang tayo ng 8-5 eh. Anong problema? Nataranta na tayo na nataranta na naman. Yan lang ang pwesto nila oh. Wala. Masyado kayong petang laging maglaro eh. Para naka-reserve na kayo.
Uy, ito na laban oh. Laban.
11-8 is the score for National University.
Ivy Perez.
And there, Ateneo here earlier trying to chase NU 5 points, 6 points. And if not for that error, that would have gone to 4 points. Phil Kainglet now serving.
For Ateneo. Team captain Phil Kainglet serving.
Byron this time through the block. Sent back by Hervasio. Lazaro keeps it up. And this is Valdez unable to put it away. Valdez again. Look at the ingana na ng NU because they're all over the place. Their demeanor has changed. So they're chasing every ball now. And they're winning some crucial rallies here. Lead is 3.
I think the key there for NU is that they're not letting their eyes off the ball. They're making sure na nasusundan ng mata nila wherever the ball is going. Just like in this last point that they got.
Kasi ganado na eh.
Oo.
And they look so depressed in that first set.
But things really changed.
Yep. As we said, after that first set, you just never know. If you hang around, you just never know what can happen. Valdez, inagaw kay Galang. Galang had that.
Galang was already there, right? At yung tamang position.
Correct. Hinabol ng isang kamay, which is obviously you only do in desperation.
Serving.
Galang takes it from them to set up Kaine Nepomuceno through the block here. Great effort by Lazaro. Just a great effort by Lazaro. That point belongs to her.
She reached for that ball with one hand. Just making sure that she gets to save it.
And a conversion there by Kainglet. Galang unable to take it. Back to live action here. Nepomuceno hops. Ferrer, Nakachi, not a solid hit, but good enough to send it to the other side. Free ball, Ferrer. Valdez recovers. You know, Galang has done a great job here. That's why she was so depressed. She's so disappointed that she didn't get to it.
But so far, yes, you're correct. She's done a good job defending. And ang maganda rin nakakapwesto kasi siya. Maybe that's why nga she got frustrated in that last one.
You know, another thing that I'm seeing here as Kaine Nepomuceno attacks, hindi na sumasabay yung NU sa mga fake ni Nakachi. There are a couple of sequences na hindi na sila naloloko.
They let go of Nakachi already and focus on yung talagang aatake.
But they were down 3 points here. Ateneo was. Now they're ahead by 1 point. Another gift, which was started by the Jem Ferrer serve. Napakaganda yung serve. That's it to NU.
Score 12.
Paso, Nakachi, Valdez. Ba't ayaw mong bigyan ng B? Mas angat niya yung Nakachi ito. Pinahihirapan mo yung open spiker mo eh. B3. Sinabi na pag nandun yung dalawa sa harap, huwag kang magbibigay ng dulo-dulot. Bakit? Ang haba ng reach dyan eh. Pagdating sa blocking, ang percentage ng dalawa mataas. Pagdating sa blocking ni Nakachi, ang percentage, minsan-minsan lang. Yan yun.
So we're seeing here na they want to target Nakachi because ang explanation ni Coach Francis, mataas ang porsyento ng blockers ni Herbacio at saka ni Valdez. So gusto nilang bigyan kung saan nakapwesto si Nakachi ng B. Ferrer opens up. Oh boy, that is the best attack so far from Valdez.
And notice in that last play, NU only had one blocker which gave Valdez a lot of room to really hit the ball hard.
Ang ganda ng peke ni Herbacio rin at saka ni Nakachi eh. Ferrer back set to Herbacio. This time checked by Nepomuceno.
Serving for the Lady Bulldogs.
Cookie Salibad back serving now, 13 serving 15. That's out.
Outside hit by Herbacio.
Ateneo just keeping NU here.
Bulldogs to tie. Cookie Salibad.
So far, they haven't had the chance to really
pull away
and get a big lead like what they had in the early set, the first two sets.
Too much pace behind the kill from Valdez. Forces the error. 16-14 back in a moment.